Contract negotiation can be tedious, time-consuming, manual. Until now. Introducing Contract Butler. Let's take a closer look at how it works. First, create your customized templates directly within Salesforce, tailoring your contracts with ease, whether it's adding sections, both numbered and unnumbered, clauses, or designating their engagement as mandatory, recommended, or optional. Contract Butler gives you full control, and it's all done without ever leaving your CRM. Then, hover over any Salesforce opportunity, and with a single click, select the template you wish to use. It's that easy. On each section of the contract, you will find the following options. Obligations. The Obligations feature allows you to send tasks via email to relevant members, notifying them of steps needed from their end. For example, to contact the client prior to 60 days off their renewal. Comments. This enables users to leave comments in any section or clause to facilitate easy communication and collaboration. The side panel allows you to navigate through your contract effortlessly. The table of contents provides a structured overview of the contract. Gain insights into the approval history, including each version of the contract and the list of stakeholders involved. Easily track everyone's changes across all versions of the document in one place. And you can also approve or reject each specific changed clause, saving time on the next approval. You can also track email activity to see who the contract was shared with. As with just a click, you can share the contract using a Salesforce contact or directly with an external user by typing in their email address. An email with a personalized message is automatically sent to the recipient. These users can then review the contract, add comments, and suggest revisions easily. Initiating the approval process is as easy as sending the contract for approval. Once submitted, the contract status changes to for approval, triggering email notifications to the designated approvers. Approvers can review the contract, either rejecting it with comments for rejection or approving it directly. Upon approval, it's time to finalize the contract, review and generate the document within Salesforce, then send it to all relevant signers for electronic signatures via Sign Butler. Close the entire sales process seamlessly, from opportunity to negotiation to deal closure, all without ever leaving your CRM. This unified workflow within Salesforce streamlines your contract management process, eliminating inefficiencies and accelerating your deals. Experience the power of Contract Butler today and request a personalized demo.